Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some breaking news that's making headlines across the nation. The Colorado Supreme Court has just made a significant ruling that could have a massive impact on the 2024 Republican presidential primary. Stick around as we dive into the details of this legal challenge and its implications. In a 4-3 decision, the Colorado Supreme Court ruled that former President Donald Trump cannot appear on the state's primary ballot. This ruling is based on a provision of the 14th Amendment that disqualifies individuals who engaged in insurrection from running for office. The court cited Trump's actions surrounding the January 6, 2021 U.S. Capitol breach and riot by his supporters as the basis for their decision. The majority opinion of the court stated, "We conclude that because President Trump is disqualified from holding the office of president under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, it would be a wrongful act under the election code for the secretary to list President Trump as a candidate on the presidential primary ballot." This ruling is likely to be appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court, which has never ruled on this particular section of the 14th Amendment. The Colorado Supreme Court has stayed its decision until January 4th, just one day before the deadline for the Secretary of State to certify its presidential primary ballots. If an appeal is filed, the state will be required to include Trump's name on the primary ballot unless the federal justices order otherwise. Derek T. Muller, a professor specializing in election law at Notre Dame University, called this ruling major and extraordinary. He mentioned that never in history has a presidential candidate been excluded from the ballot under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment. The U.S. Supreme Court's review now seems inevitable, and it puts immense pressure on the court. In response to the Colorado Supreme Court's decision, a spokesperson for Trump's campaign, Stephen Chung, called it completely flawed and promised a quick appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. Chung argued that this ruling supports a left-wing group's scheme to interfere in an election. As this legal battle unfolds, it's clear that the 2024 presidential race is off to an unconventional start. We'll be closely following any developments in this case and provide you with updates as they come in. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.